what do we have here? We have a little fellow hiding there. Can you see him? A little baby galah, pink and grey. And I saw him flapping around. He must have fallen out of a nest and he could only fly a few feet. And by the time I got back with the camera, he was sitting here in the garden, very quietly, probably very scared, and having a look. So after filming this, I went out there a little later to have a look. I couldn't see him anywhere, so hopefully he's got home okay and his parents came and got him. But that's the nature in Australia.